Is your child underweight no matter how much they eat? And you tried everything, but there is no change in the weight. Hi, I'm Dr. Sana, general practitioner. In this video, I'm going to reveal top foods which will help your kids to gain the weight naturally. Here's a realistic meal plan you can follow. In the breakfast, you can give one boiled egg, one banana, and one full cream milk with honey. And in the mid-morning snacks, you can give handful soaked almond with one slice whole wheat bread with peanut butter. And in the lunch, you can give rice with chicken curry and sweet potato mashed and one glass yogurt. In the evening snack, you can give homemade smoothies. You can add milk, banana, dates, oat. And in the dinner, you can give chapati with ghee, scrambled egg, vegetable curry. In the bedtime, you can give full fat milk with turmeric and dry fruit powder. Be patient, be consistent. Weight gain take weeks, not a day. Don't force your child to feed. Make their mealtime enjoyable. Subscribe my channel Dr. Sana Med Talk for more doctor baked parenting advice.